So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. Spoken English classes by Sambhav Jain, and I am a Sambhav Jain Spoken English tutor. तो आप लोग थंबनेल से देख रहे हो आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है क्या है, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ ट्रीज. अभी जैसे कि राइट नाउ इट्स एन टेम्परेचर अराउंड 46 एंड 47 डिग्री टेम्परेचर. देन वी रिमेंबर ट्रीज. अभी इस टाइम पे हम पेड़ों को क्या कर रहे हैं, याद करें. वी आर रिमेंबरिंग ट्रीज. वाई? बिकॉज we know trees everything. Because of trees we can survive, otherwise we cannot survive. So totally our today's discussion is completely based on importance of trees. So today we will discuss completely importance of trees. So one by one you will come on the stage and share your point of views related to trees, importance of trees. What do you know about trees? And after that I will complete this discussion. Okay, so who will come first, who will initiate? Yes, one by one. आप लोगों को एक एक करके यहाँ पे आना है और आपके अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज बताने इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ ट्रीज के ऊपर. ओके, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग डिस्कशन रहने वाला है हमारा और बहुत सिंपल है. जो लोग इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो एक बार चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और आप लोगों को यहाँ एज अ प्रेजेंटेशन के फॉर्म में पुट करना है. जस्ट लाइक यू विल टेल योर नेम and after that you will tell about topic. Okay, let's start. Okay, yes, mic ko thoda sa pass.
So first of all, hello to everyone. I am Christy Agrawal and I study in 7th class, and today I am here to present my point of views about the importance of trees. Trees are the most important thing in the world. Trees are everything for the world and for us, because we cannot survive without trees, and trees also cannot survive without us, because trees releases oxygens and absorb carbon dioxide, and we take oxygen and release carbon dioxide, and trees give us the things of the all world, and just like tree gave us wood, and a tree gave us food for eating for the people who don't have enough money to buy food, and flowers for the decoration, and trees also maintain the water level of the water, and there is a very hot temperature around us, and the people who are working in the farms and they don't have enough time to go home and take some rest and come again on the work, so they sit in the shadow of some trees and eat the food of the trees. And if we should as some people are cutting trees for their need, but in the future there will be no trees, so so we have to use oxygen cylinders. So if you cannot you should first of all plant more trees as much as you can. But if you cannot plant trees, so there is a thing which is going on the social media, that if you follow someone's which are planting the trees, so if you follow that guy and he will plant a tree of your name, and it's nothing is as expensive that you follow him, so it will take your money. You can follow him, and there will be one tree will be planted, and if you not follow, so one tree will not be planted. So if you will follow, one tree will planted, and we will not suffer in our future. And the wood trees give us woods for the furniture, and there are many things which are made up of wood, and and it absorbs and take carbon dioxide, and we all human being and all living beings are totally dependent on the trees, because these are more important, and the birds and the birds and insects, all living beings are mainly dependent, because the birds make nests on the trees, and nests are mainly house of the birds, and they give born to new birds in the nest also. Thank you. That's all about my talk.
Okay, it's a very good and nice presentation by Christy. Okay, so Christy present so many things. Okay, you can take your seat. So Christy presents so many things about trees, and means mainly where we use trees and what is the purpose of trees and we cannot survive without trees. Okay, so next performer Tejal, come on the stage.
First of all, hello everyone. I am Tejal Agarwal and today I am going to tell about importance of trees. So I am going to share my opinion. According to me, trees are very important for every living being, and we cannot survive without trees because trees give us oxygen. And if we will cut trees, there will be no moisture in the environment and we will not get enough oxygen. So we should not cut trees, and if we will cut trees there will be deforestation happen. So there will be so much heat and global warming will increase day to day. And nowadays there is so much pollution in our environment, and so many harmful gases are there, and the main gas is there, that is carbon dioxide, and plants are able to kill that gas. So if we will plant more and more trees, so it will be good for our environment, living beings, and for everyone. So we should plant more and more trees. Trees not only do these all things, trees make our environment beautiful also and good looking, and trees give us so many things: fruit to eat, oxygen to live, and wood for many things. That's all about from me.
Okay. It's a very good and nice performance by Tejal, and Tejal performed very well, and Tejal put so many things related to trees. Means we are surviving because of trees, means tree provides us oxygen. It's a very important part for every human being or every living being. Okay, yes. Next performer Manvi. Okay.
Good evening everyone, I am Manvi Shishodya. Today I am present the importance of tree. Tree is very important for us because they give us oxygen. They give us oxygen. Human can't live without oxygen. They also give us fruits, vegetables, medicine, herbs, and so many things. Tree also gives us shelter to live. Tree is also very important for us because where tree more, their rain caused. So many people cut trees because they made furnitures and so many more things. They don't know that if they cut trees, so who can consume the carbon dioxide. So I can tell him that don't deforestation and don't cut trees because tree is very important for us. The greenhouse gases also released into the atmospheric temperature, and if the greenhouse gases will increase global warming cause, so we can control the global warming and don't waste any, and don't deforestation matlab don't cut trees. So plant more and more and reduce the global warming. That's all about my topic.
Okay, it's a very good performance by Manvi. Okay, next performer Athar, please come on the stage, and clapping for all three girls. Okay.
First of all, good evening to all of you. My name is Athar Sonia and today I am presenting my topic. My topic is that why the tree is important for us. Trees is very important for us in many ways, like they provide us oxygen. They provide us oxygen they provide us oxygen with the process of photosynthesis, and they are the backbone of the world. And they provide shelters to the animal, and they provide shelters to the animal, and the shelters as home to the bird. And the trees are cutting in a good manner for decoration purposes, furnitures, and for the temples and many ways. And my point is that the trees are cutting for many decorations for temples. The God is not saying that we have to cut trees for decoration purposes, and I want trees for some purposes to give you the wishes that you want. God is not saying that, so why we cut trees? And the large scale of trees are also cutting for a book and for the paper we use, and we have to minimize the use of paper we are using. And nowadays the slate, like we are in a small, we use slate. We have also used slate in this age. We can use slate. This is not but if we have to save our world, so we can use. And And today's temperature is about 47 and 48 in Bitarwar. This is because of deforestation. Many people are cutting trees very quickly and in a good manner. So we have to stop that. That's all.
So it's a very good performance by Atharv. Also Atharv cover so many points related to shelter and all. Okay. सो एक्चुअली आप लोग जहाँ कहीं से भी इन बच्चों की परफॉर्मेंस देख रहे हो, प्रेजेंटेशन देख रहे हो, तो आप वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा, ठीक है। और वीडियो में एंड तक बने रहिएगा, काफ़ी अच्छे अच्छे परफॉर्मर अभी आने वाले हैं और अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं। आप लोग भी घर बैठ के इन बच्चों की हेल्प से या अपनी हेल्प से आप एक ट्रीज के ऊपर, या सबसे सिंपल टॉपिक होता है इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ ट्रीज, मतलब आप सोचिए क्या हो सकता है, क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंस हो सकते हैं ट्री के। नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर आयुष, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Good evening everyone, I am Ayush Mistry and my topic is importance of tree. Trees are the backbones of our life because trees give us space to study, and branches to make fire, and so many more things, such as trees attract cloud so that because heavy rainfall in a proper amount occurs, and tree also gives us oxygen so that we can breathe. Trees gives us has given us so many type of things, like we can make furniture and so many things from tree. And the most valuable thing, like the futuristic device, in it the chip is made up of planks. So that because we are growing up, trees are the main things that we can grow up now. And the people who have a lot of trees in his garden will be always healthy and will feel less amount of temperature in his garden. Thank you.
It's a very good performance by Ayush. Actually, Ayush tell about means just we have a very basic need of gardens. Actually, everyone require gardens, but in this present scenario means we are living in homes, okay, but there is no more gardens available, so that's why we are suffer a lot. So many gardens are already busted by the government, means some authorities and by some peoples, because we are living in some places. So actually means garden, importance of garden. So our next performer Harshit will come on the stage and he will tell about importance of garden. Okay. Yes, importance of garden.
So good evening.
First of all, you will start your presentation, and after that, you will tell the answer importance of garden.
Good evening to everyone. I am Harshit Agrawal, and today I am represent the importance of tree. So first of all, I want to tell you what is tree. Trees are the main part of our environment. It is just like a backbone of our environment.
Very good.
Trees maintain moisture in our environment and also maintain our water level, our earth water level. And trees make their food by carbon dioxide and sunlight and etc. things. And the part of trees is branches, stems, leaves and etc. So now we will come on importance of tree. So first of all, I want to tell you importance of trees for human beings. Yes. Trees are very important for human beings because the main thing is that human take carbon dioxide to survive, and without oxygen human can't survive, and oxygen is releasing by tree, and trees also can't survive without humans because trees take carbon dioxide and that is releasing by humans. So everything is connected with each other in our environment. That is right.
What is the importance of garden?
First of all, next we will come on importance of trees for our study. Trees are very important for our study because trees give us paper for study. We should not waste our paper because trees are very important for us. Next, importance of trees for our environment. Trees are very important for our environment.
Please keep silence.
It makes cold our environment, and nowadays temperature is around 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. That's because of cutting trees. And now we will come on importance of trees for animals. Trees are very important for animals because some animals are herbivorous. They eat only green food. So without trees, they can't survive. Now, importance of trees for decreasing pollution. Trees are very important for decreasing pollution because trees decreases about 20 to 30% pollution and give us fresh air. Importance of trees for birds. Trees are just like a home for birds, just like our home. So we should not destroy their home. That's all about my importance of trees. Thank you. And now we will come on what topic?
Importance of gardens.
Importance of gardens. Gardens are very important for everyone because gardens is just like a place where human can walk. It's a very beautiful place. Human also play in their garden. Human can take fresh air in garden, and if human is depressed, so they can come in the garden, and they take fresh air from them, and it is just like a place for playing for children. Thank you. That's all about my topic.
Okay, it's a very good performance by Harshit Agrawal. So please clapping for Harshit. Harshit performed very well. Actually, Harshit defined all the topics, just like trees is means very important part, and Harshit is well defined garden. What is the importance of gardens? Okay, next performer Shrey, please come on the stage.
First of all, a very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Shrey and I study in 9th standard and I live at Bidawar. Today I am here to present the importance of tree. Generally we know tree play a very important role in our daily life because trees are a basic need. Without tree we cannot survive, and without human being, trees are also not survive. There is a fact about it because we take oxygen and we release carbon dioxide, and tree take carbon dioxide and release oxygen, and tree gives us many resources like rubber, food, vegetables, shelter and many more. And trees are also helpful to maintain the level of humidity, pollution and many more. And tree can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. The resources take water and sunlight, etc. And today I want to tell a quote. Everybody wants to go the shadow of tree, but no one wants to grow tree. That's it.
Very good. So Shrey has performed very well, and it's put very good quote put by Shrey. Next performer who will come, Harshit Yadav. Okay.
First of all, good evening everyone. My name is Harshit Yadav and I study in 8th standard. Today's topic is importance of trees. Trees are very important in human life because it gives us oxygen. Without oxygen we cannot live. Trees are like trees makes our environment more beautiful, and it gives us fresh air to breathe. Trees observe so many harmful gases just like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, etc. And trees are the shelter of some birds and animals. Even humans build their house in trees just like a tree house. And thank you. That's all from my topic.
It's a very good performance by Harshit Yadav also. Okay. Next performer Krishna, please come on the stage. देखिए बाकी सारे स्टूडेंट्स काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, तो आप लोग भी अगर वीडियो को देख रहे हो जहां कहीं से भी, तो आपका एक लाइक तो जरूर बनता है. ठीक है, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए, और आप बताइए किसकी परफॉर्मेंस आज के लिए सबसे बेस्ट है. मीन्स आज के देखो बाकी सारे बच्चों की परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ट है. आप यहाँ तक आते हो, माइक को पकड़ के यहाँ स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करना, इट्स एन वेरी टफ टास्क फॉर एवरीवन. बट आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हो, परफॉर्म कर रहे हो, तो ये आपके लिए एक अच्छा चांस है. और आप लोग भी अगर इस वीडियो को देख रहे हो, आप लोग भी हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस को ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो, तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के हमारे बैच अवेलेबल हैं. आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो हमारे इस यूट्यूब के फॉर्म में, हम आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में कांटेक्ट नंबर मिल जाएंगे. और अगर आप भीतर बाहर से बिलोंग करते हैं तो यहाँ हमारा ऑफलाइन सेंटर है, तो आप भी यहाँ आके इन्हीं बच्चों की तरह यहाँ परफॉर्मेंस अपनी दे सकते हो. इसी टाइप से आप इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग का क्लासेस यहाँ कर सकते हो. ये ओनली फैसिलिटी है भीतर बाहर के लिए, जो ऑफलाइन क्लासेस के स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए. ठीक है, ऑनलाइन में भी आप कर सकते हो कई सारे परफॉर्मेंस. आप प्रेजेंटेशन वहाँ के ऑनलाइन का अलग बेस्ट वे होता है. ठीक है, आप देखिए आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग जैसे भी आपको ठीक लगता है, आप अगर लोकल से हैं तो आप ऑफलाइन ज्वाइन कीजिए, अदरवाइज आप ऑनलाइन के साथ जा सकते हैं, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट कृष्णा प्लीज।
Good evening to all of you. I am Krishna Jain and I am presenting my topic importance of tree. Tree is very important for us because they provide us oxygen by inhale a carbon dioxide, and the many plants and tree gives us fruit and vegetable and flower are mainly used to decoration. Nowadays our temperature going to 47 to 48 degree, and we maintain our temperature, so we plant a tree, and tree gives us oxygen. Without the oxygen the human beings cannot survive. That's all.
Good performance by. Next Hers, please come on the stage. Next performer Hers. Yes, please come on the stage. I'm just waiting for you. Next performer. Yes, Divyansh, please come on the stage. आप लोग वन बाय वन करके आते जाइए। देखो जिन लोगों की प्रेजेंटेशन हुई कंप्लीट, आई विल नॉट टेल यू द नेम अगेन, ओके, जस्ट वन बाय वन। दिव्यांश, आफ्टर दिव्यांश हर्ष, एंड आफ्टर हर्ष गर्व, ओके।
Good evening all of you. My name is Divyansh Rawat from class 9. Today I am representing my topic importance of tea. Plant and tea are very important to all living things on earth, because they are essential part of the environment, and they make the environment beautiful and fit for the existence of the various species of the organisms, because life on the earth will not be possible without trees, and trees give us many things like food, oxygen, woods, and medicine, etc. And we can grow more and more tea, because nowadays temperature going on 47 to 48 degree because of deforestation, and people cuts more and more trees because of our benefit, and they cannot think about future, and we cannot survive without future, and it would not to be good to say that trees give us life, and we can grow more and more trees. That's all about my topic.
It's a very good performance by Divyansh. Next performer Garv, please come on the stage. देखिए सभी को परफॉर्म करना है। आप यहाँ पे आके बोलते हो, 4 वर्ड्स भी आप बोलते हो, तो आपके लिए ये बेनिफिट है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट आप लोग वन बाय वन करके आते जाइएगा फटाक से। चलिए जो लोग भी रह गए।
Good evening to all. My name is Gavrat. I study in 8th standard. Today I am presenting a topic importance of tree. Tree are very important for human lives, and tree are give the oxygen. Without oxygen humans are not live. Trees are make the beautiful environment, and trees are give the many things like trees and plants are give the many things like fruit, vegetables, etc. From trees can make the many things like pencil and chair, bed, etc. Yes, and some pupils are grow the trees, and some pupils cut the trees, and that's all.
Okay, that's all. Yes, please. Next performer Hers. I will not call you again and again. After that Sumit. Okay. Then Kunal, Rituraj, Aradhya. Yes.
Good evening everyone. My name is Saraswatan Bhargava. Today I am presenting about importance of trees.
Yes,
trees are become important for our life, because trees are the shelter of birds and animals. Trees provide natural things like fruit and vegetable and flowers. Trees inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen to breathe. We cut trees to make paper and other things, and sometimes trees become very useful for we. That's all.
Okay, it's a very good performance by Harsh. Next Sumit, please come on the stage. After that Rohit. Anant, Rohit, please come on the stage. Yes, Anant.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Sumit Ravat. Today we are presenting about tree. Trees are very important for human. There was a gips tree and gips a wood and furnitures, so papers, shelters and food. There was a very main part of human life. In every human plant every day one plant. There was a very benefit of humans. There was a cut the deforestation is increase the hot winds and deforestation. That's all.
नेक्स्ट गुड परफॉर्मेंस बाय सुमित. ओके, थोड़ा सा देखिए यहाँ पे आके आप कई सारी चीजों को भूल जाते हो, तो वो थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होगा धीरे धीरे. अनंत.
Good morning everyone. I am Anant Rajput from class 6th. I am present here to tell about importance of tree. Tree is a very important thing to us. We cannot ignore their importance. Tree are important in many ways, like they give fresh air to breathe and food to eat, and help in reflecting the harmful rays from the sun, and also help in maintaining the temperature beside the water consumption.
Very good performance by Anant. Next, Deepesh. Vivek, are you prepared?
Tree are very important in my life. Tree give the oxygen and take the carbon dioxide. Tree take the fruits and vegetable. Tree make the furniture. Tree take the furniture, paper, wood, etc.
That's all. आपको नर्वस नहीं होना है. यहाँ पे आके स्टेज पे आके नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज, otherwise we will complete this session here. Okay, next performer Arad, please come on the stage. Rituraj, Hani, when will you come? Actually आप अगर यहाँ आके परफॉर्म नहीं करेंगे तो कैसे काम चलेगा? Rituraj and Hani, please come on the stage. Yes. Next, Arad.
Good evening all of you. My topic name is importance of tree. Tree is very important in our life. Nowadays you cut trees because you cut trees because of days is hot, and tree gives us oxygen, and second, tree provide food and fruits. Tree gives shelter for animals and birds. Tree gives us paper. Tree gives us paper. And second topic, why garden is important. All people have garden and all people have not garden.
People have not garden, people have garden.
Yes, they have not garden. They grow shelter on tree. Like my grandfather. My grandfather grow the trees in shelter.
Okay, that's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all. So have you heard about tree houses? Nowadays it's a very craze is going on. Tree houses means लोग जाते हैं कहीं घूमने के लिए, बाहर जाते हैं, जैसे कि उत्तराखंड हिमाचल साइड में ट्री हाउसेस का कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया है, तो वहाँ ट्री पे छोटे छोटे हाउसेस बना दिया जाता है. आपने कई सारे कैफेज में या रिजॉर्ट में देखा होगा, जैसे कि ग्वालियर में कई सारे रिजॉर्ट्स हैं जिनमें ट्री हाउसेस बने हुए हैं. तो ट्री हाउसेस का कॉन्सेप्ट है, मतलब क्यों आ रहा है, मतलब हम पेड़ों पर जाके फिर से रह रहे हैं. एक बार को हम यहाँ पे आए, एसी में आए, फिर अगेन पेड़ों की तरफ ट्रांसफर क्यों हो रहे हैं? मीन्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ समर इज गोइंग ऑन. Means right now it's at 47 degree. Means after 2 years or 3 years, what will we do? Means what will happen? मीन्स what will we do, हम क्या करेंगे, और मीन्स क्या होगा. We cannot predict the future, but right now we are predicting. Means our age is going means around just like 47, 48, 49, 50, 52. Means I also saw the news. Means in Delhi the temperature is touched 52.3 degrees Celsius also. But I don't know. Means it's an fake news on right news. Okay, next, Honey. Yes.
My name is Hani Rajoria. My topic is importance of tree.
Yes.
Trees have in our importance in our lives they make
What provides by tree? What tree provides us? क्या provide करते हैं? Provides us
oxygen,
fruits, vegetables, shelter. So many things provide by. और कुछ आ रहा है? That's all. Okay. Next, Rohit, Rituraj. Yes. If you have a quote in your mind related to environment, trees, so you can present here. Okay.
Good evening, all of you. My topic is importance of trees.
थोड़ा तेज बोलिए. Importance of trees.
Both plant and tree are very important for our life. Trees are giving oxygen and food. They are not possible living without tree.
कॉन्फिडेंस, नर्वस नहीं होना है. चलिए, नो इशू. तो आपको यहाँ पे आके नर्वस नहीं होना है. आप अगर किसी टॉपिक पे परफॉर्मेंस कर रहे हो, थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में रीड कीजिए. ठीक है, हम पहले से आपको डिक्लेयर कर देते हैं कि हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारा इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ ट्रीज रहने वाला है. चलिए नेक्स्ट.
Good morning, all of you. I am Rituraj Rajoria. My topic is importance of tree. And trees are very important and precious.
Yes.
And trees gives our oxygen and breathe. Take in carbon dioxide, and trees are my truly friends. Trees gives is food, shelters, food and medicines. That's all.
Okay. देखो कई सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो फर्स्ट टाइम प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं. देखिए अभी हैबिचुअल नहीं है वो, लेकिन धीरे धीरे हैबिचुअल हो जाएंगे. लेकिन आपको क्या करना है, जैसे स्टेज पे आप क्या डरते हो आप यहाँ पे आगे परफॉर्म करने से, क्या करना है, आप घर पे इस टॉपिक को नोट डाउन कीजिए, देन परफॉर्म कीजिए. आप खुद से बोल के देखिएगा. तो आप 2 से 3 टाइम्स इसको टॉपिक को बोल के देखेंगे तो आपको ऑलरेडी क्लियर हो जाएंगे. चलिए नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर. यार व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम?
Hardik Sharma.
Okay, Hardik.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Hardik Sharma from class 4. Today I am presenting importance of trees. These are an important source of. These are the basic of our life. Trees gives us many things like oxygen, carbon dioxide, like oxygen, fruits, vegetables, and we get wood from trees. Thank you.
Very good. इतना छोटा सा बच्चा है, मीन्स 4th क्लास में है वो. इतना सबसे मतलब इस क्लास का सबसे छोटा स्टूडेंट है. ठीक है, तो स्मॉल स्टूडेंट है. देखिए कितना अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. यहाँ पे आके माइक पकड़ के बोलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट टास्क होता है. इट्स एन वेरी गुड परफॉर्मेंस फॉर एवरीवन. ओके, नो इशू. Vivek is not good yet. Okay, so right now we will complete our okay, yes, please come. What do you want to perform? Yes, good. Okay.
Hello everyone.
Yes, just wait a minute. So now we will complete this topic here. Okay, finally we will conclude here. Okay, so you will put some quotes.
Hello everyone, I am going to tell one quote for everyone who think what others will think. Value your peace more than others' opinion, because your life is yours. Don't think about others. That's all.
Very good. Your life is yours, so don't think about others. It's a very beautiful quote. Next please come on the stage. देखो जिसको भी कोड परफॉर्म करना है आप आ सकते हो. जल्दी से हम इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे सेशन को.
everyone thinks about the present, no one thinks about the future. If you want to make future, so you have to if you want to make future, so you have to plant more and more trees.
Means you are surviving. If you have a tension, means for your upcoming generation, so you should plant more and more trees. Okay, now finally we have completed this topic here, and it's a very good performance by all the students, and I am also blessing for all the students. And finally we are completing, and I am sharing some points of views from my side. Because of these students presentation, you have to just only one like, one comment and one share. आपको क्या करना है, एक लाइक करना है, एक कमेंट करना है और एक शेयर करना है, बस इतने से ही हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, काम हो जाएगा. ओके, सब्सक्राइब आप चैनल को करेंगे, ठीक है, आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो. चलिए नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ मिलते हैं. जब तक के लिए गुड बाय.